That was a hit. Yep. G'day guys, and welcome to beautiful Werribee South this morning. We're just near Wyndham Harbour at the moment, and with all the early season snapper around, I thought we'd come out here on Kayak this morning and see if we can find a fish or two. It is a little bit cold. Coming down it was 3 degrees this morning, so it is a little bit cold, but there's not really any breeze, which is what really gets me whenever I'm out on Kayak, so it's quite comfortable. First up, what we're doing is we're trying to find ourselves a squid for fresh bait, and there's a tide change come up around about 8:45 this morning, so when we're a bit closer to that, we're going to move a little bit closer to the harbour, not in the harbour or in front of the channel where we could get run over by a boat, but just close enough where the people have been catching fish. And yeah, we'll throw some baits out on a snapper snatcher. We'll probably throw a turtleback worm, maybe even a couple of paddle tails around as well. So we'll see what happens. There's a fish. We're on. We've got something here. What do we got? Oh, flatty. Nice flatty too. I'm not huge, but that's a start to the day. But I reckon we'll throw him back. Chill out, mate, chill out. There's a big bait school going through right now. Very big bait school. There you go, nice little sand flathead there, so we'll throw them back. See ya, mate. Thanks for the fun. Just re-rig this plastic, you could make a bit of a mess of it. Right, we just hooked up here, guys. Something decent by the feel of it. On the pilly. It's taken off now. Oh yeah. What do we got? It's pulling the kayak around actually. Hopefully a nice good sized snapper. We got gummy shark. Oh, look at that. Beautiful sized gummy shark actually. That's a keeper too. You beauty. I'll take a gummy. Whoop. Might have to wait a minute for that. I haven't caught a good gummy for a while actually. Beautiful sized gummy shark, great for the table. Very happy about that. Jeez. Don't want to come in, that's for sure. Yep, settle down, settle down. Whoop. Watch my squid jig swinging around here. Don't want to get stuck with that. Bit of a muck around here, but this gummy is very stubborn. Very, very stubborn gummy shark. It's a great size actually, perfect for the table. There we go. Look at that, guys. It's a beautiful male gummy shark there. He's got himself with the back hook too, which is pretty typical, but that's a beautiful sized gummy. And I reckon I might, oh yeah, we'll keep him for a feed. Well, it's not a pretty picture, guys, but we're taking care of this gummy shark for the table, so they're a bit of a mess sometimes, you know, on the kayak. They're a little bit hard to deal with, but that is a good one for the table. I'm very happy about that for a start. I'm sure I'm going to put him now, actually. Oh, pretty hefty, that's for sure. I'll have to chuck him in the front. Another floaty. Have a nice floaty. Good one, actually. It's a good size floaty. Whoa, clear, mate. That's all right. There's a few fish around today. Definitely some fish around, which is very, very good sign coming up for the summer. Well, not long after I caught that last flathead and dropped it at the kayak, the wind completely dropped out, the drift stopped, and the fishing really slowed down. So just a short one this week, guys. Hope you liked it. And if you enjoyed this video, as usual, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.